What's up, YouTube? It is Kenyatta, and I am here to get back on my channel and get moving. So today's video that I want to do is Makeup 101, and it's pretty much if you wanted to do a full face, what do you need? I just started playing in makeup about 3 years ago. I did get a certification. I did go to cosmetology school, but I'm more of a freelance and I like to do it for fun, but I am somebody's mother, I am somebody's sister, I'm somebody's bonus stepmom. So what I wanted to do with this YouTube channel was I wanted to go ahead and tell women what I would have wanted somebody to tell me and things that I found that work good for me. I want to, let them know. So this is a sisterhood, and if you're a male and you're watching me, well, I guess I'm your sister too. So we're in this. This is my channel, Kenyatta's World. This is what I would consider a full face and having all your things for makeup, like your brushes, your tools, your primer, your setting spray. So I had a little list too. I wanted to make sure can you see it? I wanted to make sure that I went in and told you. So basically that's what this channel is. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see how I created this look, which I call blue-eyed baby doll, I don't know, please watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, tell me what you want, talk to me in the comments. I can't make more if you don't tell me what you want. And plus, these are affiliate links that I post in there. Some aren't, but the ones that are because I do work closely with Amazon. I love Amazon. So a lot of the links are going to be in Amazon. And I am affiliate, and this money helps me create this channel. And I want to do giveaways like every month. And stay tuned because I show you exactly how I go from to, hey girl, what's your name? Thank you.
Baby, take your time. We ain't gotta rush, 'cause we got all night, babe. Patience is a must. Best time of your life, that much you can trust. Gotta make it last, babe. This might be your chance, 'cause everywhere I go, they be telling me I'm fine. But ever since I met you, you've been running through my mind. You got me wide open, probably read me like a book. Fantasize about it, is it good as it looks? Now it's time to back up all that talk that you was doing. About to get rewarded for all that pursuing. Brace yourself, 'cause this right here is far from regular. Hope you can handle all this love I give to you. I'ma put it down, down. You gon' put it down, down.
I find when you apply shimmers with your finger, you get a lot more on there. And then you can finish up and line it up real good with your brush. So that's how I do that. Next is face primer, baby. Those are my two favorites. One I got from BoxyCharm, and I love BoxyCharm. I got a video coming up soon about that. So I prime my whole face. Next for the concealer, I have two different ones, the NYX and the HD and the Kat Von D. I got Kat Von D in an Ipsy box, and oh my god, I love it, so I actually use it now. I actually never did use concealer for real. Before I was like, yo, if you're gonna see it, you're gonna see it. But this time I was like, no, I like this. This is my Bare Minerals in the color Cappuccino, baby. I actually think it's a little bit darker than my skin, but I'm I got so many different tones going on, so it works for me. I have this Ecos brush, foundation brush. I love it. I use that. I use it sparingly, like dot, 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 and then brush, 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 so I'm not like a heavy makeup wearer, but I like to use it, baby. So pretty much on this part of the song, I'm about to get like ready to drop it down. Be ready to do the drop it low challenge, okay? Yes, I just had to let that play. But this is a contour palette that I got from a BoxyCharm. I'm gonna have to start adding this up because like BoxyCharm be coming through for me, and Ipsy. So with the contour, you know, I use that darker shade and I do that really lightly. And I just started doing this, like contouring my nose, because I thought it was kind of cool. I'll probably never ever do anything with my nose because I like the way it is. But I like doing this because it makes it like stand out a little bit more. So, yeah. Now with my setting spray, I pretty much always use the NYX HD, but I just bought this Airspun in the color Suntan, and I just love it because I don't get any reflash. I don't get reflash with the HD, but I go light with it. And with this, it's like I put it on and I love the way it feels. Smells kind of like an old lady, but I don't mind because I'm getting there anyway. So here go my blushes. But I actually bought this shiny palette for my freelance kit, and it came with these blushes that I think look so amazing. So that's what I'm using. I'll do a review on that soon. Okay, battle of the setting sprays. I have this matte NYX one. That's so good for me in the summertime when it's really hot. But then this e.l.f. Mist and Magic spray, I tell you right now, e.l.f. did their thing. Now, eyeliner, I got that pot, that big tub from BoxyCharm, and oh my gosh, that has been lasting for forever. But I also got this pen, this Eco Skinny Eyeliner pen from my Ipsy bag, and oh my god, I love that too. So it all depends on like how you're feeling or what works for you. But these little subscription boxes be coming in. Like I truly built my collection through subscription boxes and research. So yeah, and I actually messed this eye up, so I came back and did that later. This is my favorite mascara. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic. I do not wear false eyelashes. It feels like sun visors are on my head, on my eyes, so I just don't do that. That's me. I love it when other girls do that, but I can't. It makes enough difference for me just to use mascara. And that's my favorite one, and I'm showing you, see the difference? Yes, you see the difference. I actually just, maybe probably like two years ago, I started really like liking the way it looks when you put mascara on your lower lash line. So that's something that I do, and that's why this telescopic, I'm telling you baby, like it is, I love the wand. Like the wand is amazing. You get every single little hair. So shout out to L'Oreal for that one.
I'm so blessed, no stress. I ain't even started counting money yet. Got a man with a fetish for diamonds, so you know I stay shining. I take quality over quantity any day. Acting like you in the game you cannot play. Hoes will eat at your house knowing they hate you, cause they know you'll feed them better than they man do.
You can catch this song on Universal's Undiscovered Gold Volume 6. That comes out real soon. This song is on there. And I'm going to tell you right now. Oh, it's time for lips. Yes, it's lips time. So let me tell y'all about this. I love MAC's Velvet Teddy, but I found out that NYX Soft Spoken in Liquid Suede is the same shade, y'all. It's the same shade. Yes, so they ain't playing me, even though I still bought both. Yeah. So I moisturize my lips first because I jacked up right there. I got this from an Ipsy bag, organic lip, organic pharmacy. Yo, I bought it again. I love that. It makes my lips feel so good, so smooth. So here's the finished look. I actually applied my highlighter last. I lost the little editing clip of it, but this is the final look, you guys. And this is pretty much a full face. You don't have to do everything I did, you know what I'm saying? But you better watch it. But this is what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching. And I got more videos coming. Talk to me in the subscription. Let me know what you use, what you do. Any comments, tips, anything. Thank you guys. See you soon.